Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Minecraft. In Minecraft today we're making a prison. So first I need to get rid of this bad omen. Fast, I need milk. What? Milk. I got it. I need milk before I start the raid. Yeah, enough. So you'll need to make like something like this. 1, 2, 3 blocks, 4, 5 blocks up. Then we're going to do it like this. We're going to do this 1, 2, 3 blocks, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks like this. But you guys can do anything. You can do 13, 5 blocks. Just, you have to do it like in your style. Like how much you want your prison to be big. Yeah. So we're gonna do this. This is good for anybody who steals your diamonds, emerald. Line is complete. So now we're gonna fill in the roof. Rooftop, 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 rooftop. Yay, rooftop, rooftop. The first thing about this rooftop is it's so big that but it will be easy if you know how to build well. Well, you'll first need to get some sea lantern or torch. I like the sea lanterns, but you can get a torch. Hey, where's my sea lantern? Give me my sea lantern back. Then we're gonna fill in each corner like this. Then we're gonna get to work. We don't want any mobs spawning. If mobs are spawning, everything will go wrong. You'll have to get some torches or sea lanterns. So I prefer sea lanterns because they look good and they give more light. And also you can place like blocks on top of them, beside them, and they still do lighting. And they have like 4 ways, all the way, 4 ways light. Then this is where the magic comes. Not the magic. Let's get some chain. Yeah, chain. Then we're gonna go to our survival inventory. Keep our sword. Throw away these walkers. Yeah. Then we're going to get this 2 chains. Then, no, not this. Like this, yeah. Like with every middle. And lights, more light on the ceiling. Of course, we will have more light. Then dig like this space out in the middle. Dig 2 down. Then get some glass. Not glass balls. I mean a normal glass. Put sea lantern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sea lanterns down. cover them with glass, then you got a nice decoration. Then we're going to make the jail cell here. Get the sea lantern off on this side. Then we're gonna do 5 blocks down like we did, but we're not gonna make everything like that. And keep some space here. You can extend this how much you want. Also, but now go 3 like this, 3 out. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you have to add 1 more layer, just because of this. Yeah, then we're going to add a sea lantern here and a sea lantern there. Remove this sea lantern and add iron bars. In the 4th layer, add iron bars. It's expensive, it's getting expensive. Iron bars are so expensive. No, I mean they're not expensive, but all the iron you need to get, melt it, and everything is like that. But you can get iron on the layer like 50-50. Like I'll show you. I mean the layer 50. My slate. Hey, Enderman. Ooh. Give me that. So we're back. The creeper was just here, but he ran away because I killed him. And he didn't, and he ran away. Yay! Now almost finished. So we need to get in here. Need to get it. White bed or any color bed. Place it down like here. Hey, why can't I place it down? Yeah, here. Then we need to do cauldron. Where's that cauldron? Cauldron. Wow. A lot of bugs. Cauldron. Where's my cauldron? Cauldron. Why is it called cauldron? I don't know, but place it down. We place down 2. Then we'll get ourselves a water bucket. Then place the water. We'll put it away immediately. Then everything is almost finished. We need a chest. Place it down, double chest. We're going to get some food. I mean, what? Melons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get 60. 60. 64 melons. Put them in the chest. Some steak. But don't put anything like iron pickaxe. Like that. Then we're going to make a yard area. So we need to get a wall. Wall. I think I like the stone brick wall. You could do. Hey, place it down. You see? You can't jump over the wall. Mistake. Never put grass. Never put grass here. I mean, you could put it, but you know you can mine grass or break grass with your fist. Your fist. The fist. Of course, in survival also. It will work for you in survival, creative, hardcore. Hey, no! Crap! What are you guys? No. I'm not. Where do you come from? Start right here. Look what I do. I was just making here. Yeah, I'll just leave them alone. If they start a raid, the iron golems there in the village. There's a lot there. They'll take care of it. I'll show you. There's a party of iron golems here. Who's ready for iron golem party? I need to do this. Get my walls again. And do this. Do this. Then I'll bind them together. You could do fence, but you could break it with your hand, so it would be easy to escape. Then I'm going to put iron blocks down. Like this. Never put down grass if they have access to wood, because they could just like, I don't know, mine it. So let's get back. So fill this in with iron, diamond, whatever you want. But it never should be wood, stone. It can be wood, but wood is not safe. And who's gonna mine iron with your fist? Let's go break it. Let's go break them up. I'm gonna stay up all night. So we're gonna complete it then. then end it, end it, end it. Then this is the yard area. This is where they can get easy access to the nature. So we're going to just complete it. Now I've completed the yard area. So let's go inside. Inside we're gonna need iron door. Yeah, iron doors and a lever. Lever. Why did I get Johnny's apple? I don't know. But then we'll need iron blocks for the last step. But this is like this. Put the door down, a lever. Yeah, like this. Now get out of here. Hey, no. Not here. Not cool. I'll need to get some iron bars again. Replace them with the, let's say, current. Then we're gonna make it like this. Why is it just glitching the iron door? It's glitching the iron door. So first now, hey no, punching no.